Vama Vibhutim. Most of you, I have heard even in congregation singing Paramartha Nishtartha Moksha Pradhanam antar. Adalla Pradhatam. Originally it came to me like that. Swami's revelations. So please correct it if you are singing Pradhanam, correct it as Pradhatam. Okay? ಇಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಾರ್ಥ ಪರಮಾರ್ಥ ಮತ್ತು ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಎಲ್ಲವಂತೂ ಕೊಡೋದ ವಿಭೂತಿ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಅದು ರಿವೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Listen to her interview in Radio Sai.
Our Swami's grace, and I am really a fortunate soul to be the recipient of this mantra.
Gondela, she has composed many hundreds of bhajans, including Shira Shayana and all the bhajans that you all sing. So I just thought carefully.
Thank you.
So, Sai.